we just finished opening up our RCV axles. Wow, this is how it looks like. So once you open this box, you got to open another box. So it's really sealed. We just opened up our RCV axle box, and this is what it comes with. Orange boots, and oh, here's the install instruction scan code. Here's the stickers. Maybe we could put this in our windshield or in our door. And there's another sticker down here. So we opened 2 of the boxes, and this is how our CV axles look like. Look at that. Look at the quality on this. Wow, you really get what you pay for. So this is how it is straight. And then I'm turning.
All right, he's switching it to 4H.
4H, yup. All right, I'm in 4H.
Oh yeah, there is.
It's finally here. The wait is over. We waited almost 3 months for this. It is our saleen upper control arms, made in the USA. So here's the parts for it. Wow, this is pretty heavy. Oh damn. And then here it is, our all new upper control arms. There you go, saline. So I finished unwrapping it, and wow, it looks gorgeous. This is how it looks like, and it's pretty heavy too. So here's the saline right there. And here's this part right here. Morning, guys. We're actually taking 2 cars today. We got all the parts right there, the RCV axles and the upper control arms. And Francis is right behind me, following us with another car, and we are taking it to Savant Auto Works. Okay, so here's our upper control arms, saline upper control arms, and here's our RCV axles inside. Here it is, guys. This is the one side right here, and the other is in this box right here. It's going to be in here soon. We're finally getting our upper control arm and our CV axles installed. Well, a new one. And we're here at Savant Auto Works. And wow, they got some already some nice rigs lined up already. Yeah, so that's crazy. So this is our office right here. Yep. All right. So we'll be back later, and can't wait. Alright, so we actually got what is this, 2 screws?
Yeah.
Speaking of
An extension.
an extension for this, and we got it here at Off-Road Warehouse. This is actually our 3rd store already.
Yeah, I know.
There's some improvement going.
Yes.
Alright, guys, we are back here at Savant Auto Works, and oh my, oh shoot, that looks badass. Oh damn, we now got the orange boot.
That is nice.
Oh wow, damn, RCVs. Okay, Oh, I see a little bit of flex already. I think it's uneven. That's why. Wow. And this is our neighbor right here. Look at his build too. This is crazy too. Wow. So here's our upper control arms right here, our old ones. Wow, they're actually kind of heavy.
Yeah, it's
Here.
thick too.
Yeah, the old ones.
Yeah, it's just probably like the way you see it here. It's
Yeah.
thin.
Yeah, but it's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like really light, but no, it's heavy. And then here's our old OEM CV axles. Wow, it sounds normal now.
Yeah.
Then I'm just gonna reverse it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna go forward and there, no more clicking sound. Perfect. Alright, so we got our watermelon drinks here at Chamango. This is so good.
So good.
We got this, or we're here at 0039 Pizza, and this is their pizza right here, and this is their place right there from Rome.
Italy.
I know, they're from Rome, guys.
Yeah.
We finally found a pizza that is as good as you're in Italy. We found it, guys. This place was so good, we had to try their tiramisu. All right, homemade. Let's do this. We ended up here in Anaheim Packing House. This is our first time here and at the packing district here in Anaheim. And this is how it looks like. Wow, so this is how this whole place looks like. This is so cool. You even have this cool swing set right here. And this is how the atmosphere here or ambiance looks like. This is so cool, huh?